budget ng Pilipinas ay hawak lang ng dalawang tao. Hawak lang siya ni Congressman Zaldico at ni Congressman Martin Romualdez. Yan ang katotohanan.
Mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. Or recall the budget and demand an explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganun kablangko. Para ka binigyan ka ng blanco cheque dyan. O sige, bahala na kung anong ilagay ninyo.
It's a blank item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
So what happened to the ODA projects? It's very simple. Tingnan nyo lang. Nawala yung big ticket projects at nagsusulputan na parang kabuti yung maliliit na projects. Makita nyo yan sa budget. In other words, gitchap-chap yung ODA, foreign funded projects, pumunta sa maliliit na mga proyekto. So, sino ang members ng chap-chap gang dito?
You're teary-eyed.
I'm sorry?
You're teary-eyed? Are you teary-eyed?
Yes, because I'm very upset. No, because I see people having a hard time. And and they don't deserve it. Mabuti mga kumasamang tao yan. Dapat parusahan. Hindi naman eh. Walang ginawa yan kundi magtrabaho. Kundi mahalin ang pamilya. Ba't mo paparusahan? Para magpayaman ka? Yeah, that makes no sense to me.